Hi, my name is Liam with Advanced Robotic Technologies in conjunction with HSG Laser. And today I'd like to show you our newly installed X2512, a fiber optic laser cutter. This machine, very aptly named, has a 2500 by 1200 workbench and is powered by a 3 kilowatt laser. The machine also comes with 2 screens by standard. The upper screen used for monitoring the cut from outside of the machine, and the lower screen is the control console, the one used to monitor the cut, be able to move the machine around and monitor gas pressures.